Guru Nanak Dev Ji and the Boulder. Guru Nanak Dev Ji would travel for days and days. He would tell the whole world about Vaheguru's ways. With Bhai Mardana and Bhai Balla by his side, they would always sing Vaheguru's praises worldwide. Mardana was a Muslim and Balla a Hindu. They were lucky enough to be with the true Guru. One day they were walking for a very long time and reached a small village which was full of crime. Bhai Mardana said, "Oh Guru Nanak, please may I have a drink?" "Of course, my friend," replied Guruji, as Mardana's face had almost turned pink. "On that hill is a man with a well full of water." Guruji looked in the distance. Without thinking twice, the thirsty Mardana shot off in an instant. But the man on the hill was a terrible person, a selfish, nasty, horrible man. The people of the village would only get a drink should they pay him shiny silver coins, clink, clink, clink. When he reached the top of the hill, Mardana had his cup ready to fill. However, when he asked the man to fill his cup, Mardana realized he was out of luck. "No money, no water!" exclaimed the man in an echoing voice. Mardana sadly walked away. He had no choice. When he reached Guruji, he told him what had occurred. Guru Nanak sent him back once more. "Not again," he murmured. "Mardana, my friend," said Guru Nanak, "why can't you see? We must always give people a chance to do what is right. Not one, not two, but three." So Mardana made his way up the hill once more. His legs were starting to get rather sore. Again he asked the man kindly to fill his cup. But getting even more angry, the nasty man almost blew up. "You know the rule, no money, no water," cried the man. Mardana knew he needed a different plan. Mardana went back to Guruji and knew what he would say. "Yes, Guruji, I shall go back, but I'll have to pay." For a third time, Mardana walked to the top of the hill. He didn't moan or sigh, as he knew this was God's will. "Please, good sir, may I have some water?" Mardana spoke kindly. "No way, you fool!" replied the man, still acting rather blindly. Mardana reached Guruji again and was exhausted and tired. "Don't worry, my sweet Mardana, you shall receive what you desired." Guru Nanak picked up a stick and put it in the ground. All of a sudden something appeared. What had Guruji found? A large pool full of fresh water flowed. The faces of the hard-working villagers glowed. Joyfully they drank and they splashed and knew that their troubles were coming to an end at last. However, as the water in the pool began to grow, the water in the well started to go. The man on the hill was angrier than ever. "Who does he think he is, all wise and clever?" He was furious as his well dried up and knew Guru Nanak was to blame. With anger in his heart, he saw the boulder and pushed it down the hill like a crane. The giant boulder rolled quickly towards Guru Nanak. Mardana and Balla shouted, "Move!" But Guruji just stood with his hand out. He knew he couldn't lose. For all of nature, the animals, plants and trees, loved and responded to Guru Nanak, who always helps anyone he sees. The boulder stopped by Guruji's hand. It stood still on the dry and dusty land. Guruji's handprint appeared on the rock, and all the villagers stood there in shock. They knew Guruji was special and great, and the man on the hill realized he had made a big mistake. He ran towards Guru Nanak, his eyes filling with tears. He fell at the Guru's feet, crying out all his fears. "Guruji, forgive me for what I've done. I have no friends or family due to what I've become." Guru Nanak hugged the man and told him he was forgiven. Then he told him about how he should really be living. "Share your water with all," said Guruji, as he stayed teaching the man for a while. "Do seva and simran and love everyone. Make these changes to your lifestyle." From then on, the man on the hill had changed. He was no longer nasty, selfish, or strange. He would help the people of the village and made lots of friends. He would give water to everyone for free. He had definitely made amends. And wherever the man on the hill would go, he was sure to tell everyone he met about the amazing Guru Nanak. Everything comes from our Father Vaheguru. The animals, flowers, and even you too. Share with others what is yours. Do seva and simran and you'll get more. For if you do, you will see there is no greater than our Guruji. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.